Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm coming to you with a few of my holiday essentials. Of course, it depends on the destination I'm going to, and depending on how long my vacation or holiday will be, I would pack more or less. But these pieces are some essential pieces, some core pieces of my summer vacations. As always, I will make sure to link everything you see in this video down below for you, including all the sizes I have picked up. And as a frame of reference, I am 170 centimeter tall and I wear normally European size 36. Let us start with jewelry. As for jewelry, I don't take much jewelry with me on holidays. The only things I take with me are just a plain necklace, maybe even without this pendant, but actually I like this pendant. I will leave it as it is, but if you like, you could actually leave the pendant and wear the chain necklace, which is beautiful, really nice, especially if you have a tan. I think it looks really nice against your any skin tone, really. Then a pair of ear studs, and then my ear cuff. This is so much fun, and I don't know, I feel a bit more funkier and cooler with this ear cuff. So this is all I would take with me. Of course, also a watch. Either this watch or my Apple Watch, just to count the steps, because we will be on a European city vacation and it will contain a lot of walking, of course. So then let us move on to sunglasses. For sunglasses, by the way, for all expensive items you see in this video, I will have an affordable alternative, which I will either show you or link down below in the description box. Let us start with this one. This one is by And Other Stories. These look actually very similar to those by YSL. They go with everything. They are so easy to style, and I will at some point get the real deal, you know, the pair by YSL. I actually went to the store and tried those. Those are a tad nicer than these, I have to admit. But for now they do it and I love them, and they were so cheap. And I also have these in a different colorways as well. I will see if I can find them and then I will link it down below for you. I'm not sure if And Other Stories still stock these, but I really hope they do. And then here I have these by Celine. I absolutely love them. I love the fact that they are not crisp white, they are off-white, and this makes them a bit more wearable for me and for the outfits I usually wear. And I think they are so much fun to wear during the warmer months. Then we have these by Isabel Marant. I think these are so cool and a bit different. These will be on holidays with me for the first time. By the way, if you enjoy this kind of videos, you know, anything actually fashion related, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because I would love to have you here. Thank you so much. So next piece of accessory, if you have watched a few of my videos, you are probably sick of seeing this scarf on my channel, but this scarf is a must-have for me and I will take it with me. I'm not sure, I have two of these, one in black and one which is bigger and is in beige, so I'm not sure which one I will take, but probably this one. Then let us move on and speak about shoes and footwear. So for me, because I always pack very compact, I take only two pairs of shoes. One pair being, they need a wash, a pair of trainers like this one. By the way, I love these because they are the most comfortable trainers you will ever have, especially if you have narrow feet. Then, so this year I also have these, which are very comfortable. They are the Onitsuka Tiger. And yes, I either take these or the others, I'm not sure, but probably I will take the New Balance, which number? 327. For my second pair, I would take something like these sandals, something very simple, something very multifunctional, something that you can wear to different occasions. These by Hermes are not comfortable. I don't know why, but I have them also in tan. These are very comfortable, but in black they are not. But maybe I need to break in. So, and as an alternative, is a big price gap, but I think these flip-flops are so comfortable. I love these. I see that many brands do these in a leather version, which would be, of course, dressier and smarter. I know a few brands with these in leather version. I will link them down below for you if you are in the market. I won't get them because I really want these to work for me. If you have a pair of chunky sandals that are comfortable, these are, by the way, extremely comfortable. I love these. These chunky sandals can replace your sandals, you know, a pair of sandals like these, and your trainers. Of course, it depends on how much you are going to walk. If I had only to pack one pair of shoes for summer holidays, that would be these. Again, it depends on the destination as well, right? Next, let us talk about some tops. Again, it depends on how long I am going to be away, but I usually take a few t-shirts in different colors and one or two more dressier tops. This one by Closed is very simple, very versatile. It is made out of 100% wool, but because it is oversized and very thin, it also works for the warmer months. Another piece of clothing that is essential in my vacation wardrobe is a shirt. Now I have in here a silk shirt, which is very, very comfortable and great for summer months, but also a linen shirt would do the job. Another shirt that I will take on holidays this year will be this shirt. I will use it when it gets cold in the evening as a jacket, but I really also like it as a cover up, you know, for the beach or pool. So this one is a very, very practical one. Moving on to dresses, the shirt dress is a new addition to my wardrobe, and I will take this one with me as well because it doesn't take much room and it is extremely versatile, as you have seen in one of my previous videos. I will link it up here for you. It's such a versatile piece because you can open it up to here and wear it as a top with a pair of shorts. The shorts I am gonna show you in a second. Or you close all the buttons and wear it as an actual dress. Or you have all the buttons open and wear it as a cover up. So this is a really great piece of clothing to have in the summer months, and it folds literally to almost nothing. It fits very well into my suitcase or even carry on. So this one is going to go with me. And speaking of dresses, I bought this dress last year and I haven't yet worn this dress to holidays. But this year I will take it on holidays because I think this dress works very well in the evening. Of course, this is a no-brainer for the evening, but also during the day, you know, with a pair of trainers or comfortable sandals, great for sightseeing and all the fun stuff. And this dress is 100% silk, so is just fantastic for warmer weather. Then, speaking of silk, I would also take these two trousers with me. One is linen, 100% linen, and one is 100% silk. The colorways are very easy to, you know, style, and they again don't take up much room and are very practical to have. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna take any jeans with me, but if I were to, I would take these with me because they are much more lightweight and thinner than your usual denim, and also because of their cut, you know, they have a very relaxed and loose cut. So they are great for the warmer months. And also they are great actually for the airport area and on the airplane. And of course in my wardrobe, in my summer vacation wardrobe, shorts will never miss. These white shorts are so comfortable and very, very nice on skin. So they are by COS. I will link them down below, but I think they are sold out. Then also these shorts, because I love these shorts. They are extremely flattering, and I also have a shirt, matching shirt to these, for these, which is currently in the washing. But this shirt works great with these shorts, but also with these shorts. I should not forget about swimsuits, right? My swimsuits are usually from H&M, but this year I decided to invest in a better quality, and I think this swimsuit would also double as a top because it looks so nice, right? With a pair of black shorts. And then I also have a jumper, because you never know. Sometimes it gets really cold, and this jumper is 100% cashmere and very lightweight, which I would also be able to throw on my shoulder and just carry it along. And in the evening when it gets a bit colder, I can put it on and use it as an actual, cardigan jumper. So as for bags, I was thinking of taking this one with me. This is by COS. It's a very practical bag. It can be dressed up and down easily, and yes, very secured as well, because you carry it very close to your body. It has a zipper closure and all that. And as for dressier bags, I was thinking of either this one, my mini Chanel bag, or my mini backpack by Louis Vuitton. I'm still not sure. Of course, I will also take a backpack, a bigger backpack for the stuff that I have to carry around for my kids. Probably my husband will carry that one. Please let me know if you think something is missing here. I would love to know that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I will hopefully see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.